This is our family picture, but I do not know where I fit now. Mom, I made our family picture, but the baby already made everyone look away. I made this because I am happy, but I also want Mom to see me.
A new baby was coming soon, and the family was happy, but two small hearts began to feel unsure.
I see your picture, Jace. I love it, but my body is very tired today.
I am getting ready for Mom and the baby, but I am still here for you too.
If the baby comes into the picture, do I move farther away? The baby is not doing anything wrong, but I feel strange too.
Before, Mom looked at me first when I had something to show.
Come on, Jace. Let's go upstairs before we cry at the table. Mya, do you think Mom and Dad will love the baby more than us? I think they love us, but today, I do not feel close to them. I miss when Mom sat with me and asked about my little day.
Dinner is almost ready. I will call the kids after I help Mom sit down.
I am okay, but please stay near me for 1 minute.
Dinner smells ready, but Dad did not call us yet. Maybe they remembered the soup, but not us. We are big kids, but we still need Dad to call us.
Oh no, kids, I am sorry. I made your bowls, but I forgot to call you.
The bowls were ready, but we were upstairs waiting for your voice.
You are right. A bowl is not enough. You needed me to come and call you.
I know Mom is tired, but Jace and I still need small things from you.
My body is tired, but my love for you is not tired. I am sorry I made you feel alone.
No one wanted to hurt anyone, but small missed moments can feel very big to a child.
Jace, wake up! The sun is high. We are late for school. Mom did not wake us up. Dad did not wake us up. Nobody came again. Hurry, but breathe slowly. We can be late and still be okay.
I am so sorry. My phone died after I called the doctor last night, and I missed the alarm.
The baby bag is ready, but we are not ready for school.
I wrote you a morning note, but I fell asleep before I could give it to you.
I like the note, Mom, but I wanted your real voice this morning.
I will drive fast but safe. After school, I will listen to both of you.
I love you, Jace. I love you, Mya. I am sorry this morning felt lonely.
I know she says love, but today, love feels far away.
You are not forgotten. I made mistakes, but you are not forgotten.
Come on, Jace. We can talk later, when our hearts feel calmer. Look, Mya. My part of the picture is getting smaller and smaller. You are not smaller, Jace. The paper is hurt, and maybe we are hurt too. Please eat a little. When you are hungry, sad feelings get bigger. I was happy about the baby, but now I am scared of the baby day. I want to be a good big sister, but I still want to be Mom's girl.
When children feel unsure, they may smile outside and worry inside.
Hi, my brave kids. I brought snacks, and I want to fix our family plan.
Our movie night moved away too. Even our fun time moved for the baby.
I moved it because Mom had a doctor visit, but I should have told you first.
Maybe everything moves for the baby now. Maybe I have to move too.
No, buddy. Plans can move, but you do not move out of our love.
My 2 stars are home. I made little notes because I missed you all day.
Thank you, Mom. But I miss when you told me with a hug.
Come here, sweet boy. My tummy is big, but my arms still know you. It is okay if you are not ready. We can take small steps.
Tonight, we will make a new plan together, not only a baby plan.
I want to believe that, but my picture still feels wrong. My toys moved again. Maybe the baby needs my place too. Dad is trying to make space, but I know it does not feel that way.
Jace, Mya, please sit with me. I want to hear what hurts.
Not now, Mom. If I talk now, I may cry too much.
You can sit at the small park we can see from the window, but please come back in 30 minutes.
We will stay together. We just need quiet air for a little while.
This park is quiet, but my heart is not quiet at all. My heart keeps asking one question, and I do not know the answer. When the baby comes, will Mom still have time to look at me? I think yes, but I need Mom and Dad to show us, not only say it.
They were not trying to be bad. They just wanted Mom and Dad to notice their sad faces.
Kids, dinner is ready. Jace, Mya, they should be home now.
They are not back? We need to go now. I need to see my children.
We will walk slowly. The park is close, and we will find them together.
I am tired, but I need to find Jace and Mya now.
Jace,
Mya,
this is Dad. We are not angry, we just need to see you.
my loves, please answer me. I am here, and I am looking for you.
They are calling us now. Is it because we are late, or because they miss us? I hope they miss us, Jace. I really need that answer too.
There they are. Thank goodness. My children are right there.
Mom looks scared. Maybe she did not forget us.
I am so sorry. We lost track of time, and you felt alone again.
I did not come because dinner is late. I came because my children are not home.
This is our family picture, but I do not know where I fit now.
You fit right here, close to me. No baby can take that place.
I am happy about the baby, but I miss being the little girl of the family too.
The baby is in my tummy, but you are always in my heart.
I helped Mom a lot, but I forgot to check your hearts. That was wrong.
I tried to be big, but I felt small and scared.
You do not have to be big all the time. You can be my little boy too.
I want the baby to come, but I do not want to disappear.
You will never disappear from our family. You are my son forever.
The family did not need a perfect day. They needed true words and open arms.
Can we still have special time with you after the baby comes?
We will make Jace time, Mya time, baby time, and family time.
The baby is not here to take love. The baby is here to meet more love.
The baby kicked my hand. Maybe the baby is saying hello.
Then we can say hello back, but we still need hugs too.
Let's go home together. This time, nobody walks behind. This is still your play corner, Jace. The baby gets space, but you keep yours too.
Now the plan has Jace time, Mya time, baby time, and family time.
Our family is growing, but my love is not leaving anyone behind.
Now the picture feels right. The baby is coming, and we are still a family.